This tutorial covers the use of headlights and windscreen wipers in the Stadler Flirt3. The control of these is slightly different between the Dutch and German versions. We go into the Dutch version first. In this version the wipers are controlled using V and Shift V on the keyboard. Or you can use the wiper control on the right hand side here. So we have intermittent, fast intermittent and constant. So we're currently in fast intermittent. V again brings us into constant. Shift V to go back to fast intermittent. Shift V to go back again. And then Shift V to turn the wipers off. Headlights, you can spin this control here using the mouse. Just zoom in on that. You can spin this control using the mouse, or you can use H and Shift H on the keyboard. If we go and look on the outside, H brings on the normal lighting, H again brings on dim lighting, H again, shunting light, again, danger configuration, and then Shift H goes backwards through those, back up to the regular lights. At any point, you can actually use this button here to bring on the high beam. If we look at that from the outside, that's Control H on the keyboard, and it brings on the high beam. The wiper and headlight controls are slightly different in the SUX version. Just go in here and show you. In this version, the wiper control is down here on this side, and at the moment it's defaulted to off. If I use the V shortcut, it will go into constant forwards. If I use V again, it will go into fast forwards. See this here. If I use Shift V to bring it back to the off position, I can now actually get the intermittent position the same as the Dutch train, but for this one I have to go backwards one setting, so I have to use Shift V on the keyboard or twist it with the mouse to bring it into the intermittent position like this. You can see that there. And then obviously from here we can just drag it into the off position. The headlights on the SUX version, again, a little bit different from that on the Dutch version. The headlight control is here. The keyboard shortcut again is H and Shift H to go forwards and backwards through the headlights. And if we look at the outside, normal headlights, headlights high beam, or actually that's the headlights with the high beam, regular headlights, dim headlights, and off. So that concludes the tutorial for using the headlights and wipers on the Stadler Flirt3.